In this video, we're going to take a look at the MIlwaukee M18 wet and dry vacuum. What's up, people? Show you guys a new tool I got. It's by MIlwaukee. It's the M18 wet and dry vac. I'm going to unbox it and take a look at what all it comes with. Alright guys, so I got the vacuum out of the box. Here's the vacuum right here. Comes with a manual. And also comes with their M12 and M18. Got a little catalog here. Shows you other tools and stuff that they got in their lineups. Alright guys, so here's a close-up look at the vacuum. Comes in this cool kind of like toolbox design. It's got your power button on the top here. It's got your intake port right here. And it's got your blower on this side. Nice hinge design. Opens up just like a toolbox would. And then inside you have your compartment where the hose is and your attachments. So here's your narrow attachment and here's your wider attachment. They all fit nicely back into I guess what you could call a carry case on top here. And if you take a look, this is actually where your battery goes in, and this only takes M18 batteries. I currently have one of the 4.0 batteries. We're gonna try that out because that's the biggest M18 battery I have right now. On the bottom it has two latches, one on each side, and this is going to be where your filter is. And this is going to be where all your debris, dust, water gathers. Overall, I like the design. Nice rugged plastic. It's got a decent amount of weight to it. It does stay on the top here, not to step on it. Alright guys, so I want to show you too, on this end there's the intake, so this is what you're going to use for vacuuming stuff up. On this side is the blower. So what you can do is you can take this hose, detach it from inside here, it just twists, comes out. You can actually put it in the side, does the same thing, twist, locks in. This doubles as a blower too. Do another quick demonstration outside, blowing off my cement. Alright guys, that was my little test of the blower on this. Seems halfway decent. Wouldn't be bad for say sawdust, or maybe if you're doing some sanding in your garage. Alright guys, one thing I wanted to touch on was the length of the hose. Stretches out pretty long. I'm going to say it reaches out to about 5 foot. With no problems. So it stretches out pretty far if you want to leave this stationary somewhere and you just want to reach around your vehicle or wherever you're cleaning up at. Alright guys, another test I want to do is I got a bunch of dried leaves here. I'm going to unpack this and we're going to see how well it picks up these leaves.
Alright guys, so now we got some wood chips and dirt on the table. We're going to turn on the vacuum cleaner and see how well this picks it up. I got a can here, never been opened. And I want to see if this is strong enough to actually lift this can. So that's just a simple test. Give you guys an idea of the sucking power on the vacuum. Alright guys, so one of the main reasons I went and picked up this MIlwaukee shop vac was, one, I wanted something for the garage. I got tired of going in the house, grabbing the shop vac that we use in there. So I wanted something that was mainly for the garage. And also because I wanted something that was easily portable and I could use to clean my cars out. That was battery operated. I didn't have to plug anything in, run extension cords. And I already got most of MIlwaukee tools. So it was just a no-brainer for me to go ahead, get the MIlwaukee shop vac. Because I already got batteries that I can just pop in there, and as long as it works well, I'll be happy with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump in my van. It's a fairly new van. I just got this past week. It's already got some grass and dirt on the floors. Want to go in there, and we're going to try vacuuming that stuff out, and we're going to see how well it works on that. As you can see, it's already got some dirt on the floor here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this vacuum up, put on an attachment, and see how well it works. Right now, battery's at 3 bars. We'll see how long it works. Alright guys, so just a quick note. I ran a test on my 4.0 lithium battery. This vacuum on continuous use, vacuuming, lasted close to 15 minutes before it turned off. The last, I'd say, minute, you could actually hear it start to die down. And then it just cut off. And I got one blinking red light right now. Battery's not hot, it's a little warm. Not a big deal.
Alright guys, so that's it for this review. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys got any ideas of any other tests I can do with this vacuum, put in the comments below. If you guys found this video useful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.